We guide you through how to install APK files on Android safely and correctly so you can use apps outside the Play Store. First thing you need to do is download the APK file from a trusted source and make sure it's compatible with your device. Next, open Settings, go to Security or Privacy, and tap Install Unknown Apps. Choose the browser or file manager you use to download and APK and toggle on Allow from this source. After that, open your Files or Downloads app, locate the APK file, and tap it. You'll see an Install button. Tap it to begin installation. Wait for the process to complete, then tap Open to launch the app. Keep in mind that installing APKs from unknown sources can carry some risk, so only download files from reputable websites to keep your device secure. So that's it.